Hello dear students, today we are going to study reproduction chapter, reproduction in animals. This chapter we have in 8th standard CBSE class. In that we have to study reproduction in animals. Especially there are two types of reproduction found in animals. One is sexual reproduction, and second type is asexual reproduction. Today I will teach you asexual type of reproduction in animals. When we study reproduction, then we must have to know what is the meaning of reproduction. Reproduction is a process of production of new organisms by an individual of its own kind is called as reproduction. There are two types of reproduction, sexual reproduction and asexual reproduction. When we study asexual reproduction in animals, we will find different ways, different types of asexual reproduction in animals. But today we will study about two types of asexual reproduction. One is binary fission and second is budding. Today we will study two types of asexual reproduction. First is binary fission. Binary fission is a type of asexual reproduction found in amoeba. What happens in this type of reproduction? There is a parent amoeba. Initially, the parent amoeba, it shows division of nucleus. You can see here red color spot. This is nothing but it is the nucleus of amoeba. Initially, the nucleus of the amoeba will start dividing. It will divide into two equal parts. After that, whatever the liquid part present inside the body of amoeba, that is called as cytoplasm. It will divide gradually. You can see here, this is the parent amoeba. Slowly its nucleus will divide. Later on its cytoplasm will divide, and from single amoeba you will see two daughter cells, two daughter amoebas. So this is the very simple method of asexual reproduction found in amoeba, which is a type of asexual reproduction called as binary fission. Bi means two. Here one organism is there and this organism is dividing into two equal parts. Because of that it is called as binary fission. Here you will see that only one parent is involved in this reproduction. Because of that it is called as asexual reproduction. There is no need of formation of gametes. There is no involvement of gametes. Because of that it is a type of asexual reproduction. Second type, now we are studying about asexual reproduction, that is budding. Dear friends, when we study budding, at that time you know that bud means what? It is a small flower, early stage of flower. Similarly here, this is a parent yeast, and on the body of this parent yeast, what happens initially, you will see this is the nucleus of parent yeast, and nucleus will firstly divide multiple types, and after that this nucleus will divide into two equal parts and one outgrowth. You can see this is small outgrowth grown on the parent yeast body, and when this outgrowth will takes place grown, when it grow completely, at that time it gets separate from the body of yeast organism and it starts growing as new individual. Here you can see that only one parent is taking part in this reproduction. There is no need of production of gametes, so it is a type of asexual reproduction. This is a very simple method of asexual reproduction found in yeast, where initially nucleus will divide and it will convert into the bud. Initially this bud will be attached to the body of parent yeast. After that, when it will grow completely, it will separate from the parent yeast and it will start its own life. So here are two types of asexual reproduction today we have studied, and different types, another types we will study in our next video. Thank you.